Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to add your social media links to your YouTube video descriptions, whether it's for a single video or all future uploads. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of YouTube, then select YouTube Studio. Now, if you want to add social media links to just one video, click on Content in the left-hand menu, select the video you want, and you'll be able to edit the description directly from there. But if you want to automatically include your social links in every future upload, here's how to do that. In YouTube Studio, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Then in the menu on the left, click on Upload Defaults. Under the description section, you can create a default message that will appear in every new video you upload. This is the perfect place to add your social media links. You can title this section Social Media or Follow Me, whatever you like. Then start listing your platforms. For example, I'll add Twitter and Instagram. To get your profile link, go to the social platform. For Twitter, click on your profile from the left-hand menu. At the top of your browser, double-click the URL in the address bar to select it, then right-click and copy the full link, including the HTTPS. Now come back to YouTube and paste it into the description. Do the same for Instagram. Open your profile, copy the full link from the address bar, and paste it into the upload defaults. You can add as many platforms as you want: Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok. It's totally up to you. Once you've added your links, click Save. From now on, every time you upload a video, your social media links will automatically appear in the description. You can also manually copy and paste these links into the descriptions of older videos, just like I've done here. As you can see, the links are clickable and easy for viewers to access. And that's it. If you found this guide useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content.